Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can apply same transition to all clips in CapCut PC. Alright guys, let's get into it. Here I have created a project in my CapCut application, and as you can see here I have imported some clips to my CapCut project as well. So if you want to apply some transition to all those clips, the first thing we're going to do is clicking on the transitions, and just like the transition you would like to apply to your clips. And for instance, I'm gonna go with this transition, this pull-in transition. We can click on this plus button to add this transition to our clip, and now the transition has been added. And if you want to apply this transition to all these clips, we can click on apply to all right here. Just click on it. Okay, and now this transition has been applied to all my clips. Then I'm going to check it. I'm going to play the video. And I guess that's how we can apply some transition to all clips in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.